With businesses closed across the state, many people are struggling. However, one local herb shop found themselves thriving during this pandemic. CW50's Chris Walker has more.
And this chlorophyll cleanses your blood. I love this.
Orders are pouring in and the line is getting long.
Like usually I make the products once or twice a week. Now I'm making them every single day and selling out before the day's over.
Moor Herbs Marketplace on West 7 Mile in Detroit is seeing a jump in sales as people look for ways to improve their immune system.
I have sea moss. It's apple, mango, and cranberry. My favorites. So I can't wait to taste it. I know it's good.
Although healthcare professionals speak against natural remedies, customers say there's no better way to care for the body.
I think I got some black seed of moringa, very good for the blood. So I'm all about keeping the blood clean because your white and red blood cells can fight off just about everything. So.
And customers have been lining up by the dozens for this alkaline water, and the owners here at Moor Herbs say that this machine is responsible for removing the impurities from the water, and they say the end product, this alkaline water, can help you boost your immune system. The products on the shelves have not been approved by federal health regulators for treatment, prevention, or cures. Yet supplies are selling out since COVID-19 surfaced locally.
Like first it started at the beginning of March. You were just getting busy and I'm thinking, oh, well, we're doing good, thinking that it's just us and it's the spring and people are feeling good. Then when the coronavirus hit Michigan last week, they tripled and we've been like really busy ever since. We can't keep anything on the shelf.
I slept good. That's all I can tell you. I slept like a baby. It was good.
Reporting in Detroit, Chris Walker, CW50 News at 10.